I'm Brandy from Modern House Numbers. Today I'm going to give you my top 3 tips for selecting a font style for your project. We offer 7 fonts: Palm Springs, SoCal, Austin, SoHo, BackBay, South Beach, and Santa Barbara. We designed these fonts to be modern and iconic. They look marvelous on any architecture style. Each option is slightly different. Tip 1, explore your options. I'm going to walk you through each one of our font styles. Palm Springs is our most popular style. It is iconic and timeless. It is also the favorite of lovers of mid-century modern design and looks amazing on any home or business. SoCal. This style has Art Deco roots but is still modern. It is very stylish and a little thinner than our Palm Springs font. The zero is perfectly round and makes a statement. Austin is our newest style. I particularly love the lowercase letters. It is very modern and has thin lines and playful arcs. Really unique. SoHo is a timeless classic. It is bold without being bulky and especially loved by business and commercial customers. BackBay is our most compact style. It is elongated and casual with just enough boldness, great for tight spaces. South Beach. This is our widest and boldest modern font style. It is masculine and contemporary, very visible. Finally, Santa Barbara, our only serif font. It is bold and glamorous. This is popular for a wide variety of projects, from traditional homes to mid-century modern apartments. Now that you know all about our fonts, I highly recommend you visit our website at modernhousenumbers.com to preview your combination of letters and numbers in each of our font styles. I can't recommend this enough. It's fun and really gives you a feel for how it will look. Tip 2, pick the style you like best. We hear all the time from our customers that our numbers are their favorite exterior detail. So pick the font style you love and one that expresses your style. We selected each of our font styles to look good on any project, so you can't go wrong. If you're stuck between 1 or 2 styles, my next tip might help you get closer to making your final choice. Tip 3, visibility. Pick a font and size that will be easy to read. Some of our fonts are thinner and some are thicker. Now just remember, 1, explore your options. 2, express your style. 3, consider visibility. You got this.